Boy, that's distracting. But that sucks. I need different lighting if I'm gonna wear my glasses. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am sorry if I'm looking a little bit rough. I just got done at work, but I wanted to go ahead and get into opening my mystery box I got from Jeffree Cosmetics. So these were boxes, special mystery boxes that he released for Black Friday in 3 different sizes. There was premium, deluxe, and ultimate, increasing in size there. I got the middle one, which is the deluxe mystery box, and that one was $80, and it says it has 10 items inside. I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna find out together what's inside. Is that a good shocked face? I don't know. So we're gonna break into the tape. Not like you need me to narrate what's happening, but maybe you do. I gotta tell you, it was real tempting for me to try and go for the $175 box, but I was pushing it with $80 as it is. Alright, opening. Okay, let's see what we got here. So first up, I see a summer liquid lipstick in Fudge Pop, which I actually already have, but that's okay because my mom happens to really like the metallic lipsticks, so that will be great for her. Ooh, okay, a couple different ones. Watermelon soda. Again, another one I have, but you can always use more when you have as much as I do. I mean, I was expecting to get stuff I already have. Ooh, okay. And also from the family collection, I have Baby Daddy and Delicious. And then I have a couple of lip ammunitions, which these are the ones that I actually don't have hardly any of. So these are the ones that I won't have. So I have Allegedly and Jeffree's Girl. And I'll open everything at the end as well. There's also 2 Skin Frosts. Ooh, neither of these. I don't have either of these. I had still sick, sorry. Dark Horse and Regina George, which are 2 that I've actually been wanting to try, so that's awesome. So this one also came with a size option for a clothing item. So, because they're unisex, I usually get a small. And it is the purple Jeffree Star approved shirt, which is perfect. I don't have this one. These are so soft. I love the t-shirts. Ooh, I'm gonna put this on. 1 second. Stripping down. Good thing it's out of focus. So exposed. Oh, this feels so much better than work clothes. Okay, and the last item I see in here is a pop socket with the Jeffree Star logo on it. Super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the lip ammunitions, because I actually don't have these, so I want to see what they look like. Jeffree's Girl. This one is actually one I was considering getting, but I'm not much of a pink person. There she is right there. And then in the holiday packaging, we have Allegedly, which is very pretty nude. Stop focusing on my face. You know, some of this I think I'm going to use as Christmas gifts, because few of them since I already have, and I don't use stick lipstick that much. I like the liquid lips, so maybe this will be somebody's gift. And of course, from the family collection, we got Delicious and Baby Daddy. I have a video on my channel already with the entire family collection. I will put that in the eye. Is it that side? This side? It'll be up there. And I do a try-on of all these colors. And I have Watermelon Soda, which the one I have is in the, I think it was a yellow cap from the original collection, and from the summer collection, Fudge Pop, which I also have a video trying these on my channel. That'll go up there as well. Now getting into the highlighters, which I am keeping for myself. We have Dark Horse, which is one I've always been curious about because it's super dark. For me anyway, for my skin tone. It is very pretty. I could see myself definitely using that as an eyeshadow. And we also have Regina George, which is the pink one. Super pretty as well. Could be a blush, could be a, well, that was a bad swatch, wasn't it? No, here. There we go. And of course the shirt and pop socket, which I don't really use pop sockets because I have like a wallet case on my phone. So I might keep it for myself. I might use it as a Christmas gift as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some math on how much these things would cost individually, and I will put that right here so you can see the breakdown. So it's definitely worth the $80 that I had. Of course they are sold out right now, but it was completely worth it to me. And even though the liquid lipsticks were all repeats for me, they will make for some awesome Christmas gifts, and I'm really glad that I have them for gifting because I am really tight on money. Oh, and I did forget to mention that my order did come with another package, and this was for, you got to pick a free lipstick with your order as well. So let me half that open. I picked I'm Royalty because this is one that I don't have. So I even got a free lipstick from it too. So this is a really good deal then. And of course it matches the shirt I'm wearing. I should put it on. Now that is what I'm talking about. Alright guys, that is it for this video. It was super fun not knowing what I was gonna get, so I really hope they bring back more mystery boxes. And like I said, if you're a big fan of Jeffree Star, you probably have a lot of the collections. So it's normal to get repeats of stuff you already have when you buy as much as like I do, and I don't even own everything. There are people out there who have everything, so of course you're gonna get repeats. But that just means you can spread the love and give gifts this holiday season. So I think it was a really great idea. I hope they bring them back again. And yeah, it's just super fun. I love mystery boxes. I love the excitement of opening it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what was in the box with me. I know I'm going to be looking up the super big box that's in it and the smaller one. I'm kind of curious what was in that one because I was indecisive between the small one and the medium one. So, but yeah, thanks so much again for watching. If you want to see more videos from me, I do make a few videos on like makeup stuff, and I'm trying to get more into lifestyle fashion stuff as well to kind of mix it up a bit. So if that's something you are interested in, please hit subscribe and leave a like on this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. I think that's it. Bye!